back on.
You want to continue this little chat? You follow that IP address and get me something I can use. Ta-ta.
Alright, she's safe. For now. She's somewhere cold. Maybe outdoors. I'll keep her talking and maybe I can find where she is.
You're the big green thing.
WKZ-TV's recent opinion poll shows that people are rallying on the side of vigilante suspect Aiden Pierce. People are even offering to protect Pierce. However, Chicago PD warns that doing so could lead to criminal charges.
Just lost everything. My hard drives, my network access. Alright, I need to get back online. Where's Clara? Be careful, Aiden. Don't pull her into this.
Here.
Thanks.
Those men. Who are they?
I don't know. Yeah, they must have picked up on the CTOS search.
That's why I wanted to see you. DedSec says that someone else has the system hacked. I took it, and I gave it to you.
Now, hold on. I didn't give it to anyone. I wouldn't.
We need to trust each other.
You know what? I don't have time to soothe you, Clara. If you don't trust me, there's nothing I can do. Someone shot up my motel room. My sister's gone, and I have nothing. You are not my priority right now.
No, I know that. Of course.
Yeah, it does that in my stream too, for some reason. They need to add that. That you can hear the party
You
chat.
know this place? Somewhere near here. It's supposed to be the first test site for CTOS. It is known as the bunker.
I know.
That's how the urban legend goes.
He does that anyway.
The bunker? One with access to the entire city?
Undetected access. I've done months of research on it. City planning, zoning documents, things they don't want us to see. There's a blank spot on every map. Right over there. Ish. And you've lost your damage deposit on a motel.
It's fine. I need to find a way inside that bunker. Undetected access to the whole city. I could use a break right now. If you can do that, you may be my way in. Tobias Frewer. Well, somebody's been on that island recently. His name's Tobias Frewer.
Tobias was one of the CTOS pioneers until Bloom fired him. The man is vraiment crazy, or on drugs. Maybe both. He lives right near here. There's a homeless camp.
He's homeless?
He's got an underground shop hidden in there. DedSec goes there for some of the more rare hardware. You can't forget him. He's paranoid and won't talk.
I can be persuasive.
I'll let you do the talking.
You really want this place to be real, don't you?
It is real.
So you're buying into the legend.
Papa used to take me camping in Mont Tremblant. He'd always say we were looking for treasure. I didn't understand then that he was stealing from the cabins. Gold watches, tools. The look on his face when it was something special. Like one time, I found an old rusted coin with a regal emperor. He said it was an ancient Roman coin. Priceless. But he let me keep it. Said it was my door to a magic world. The whole Roman Empire. I guess I am a fighter's daughter. Stars in my eyes.
Well, I hope this bunker's real too.
It's real.
Erupted at the Owl Motel earlier, resulting in a gas main explosion. No reports on casualties. Police are investigating. Officials say thanks to the rapid response
There.
DTOS network.
That's where Tobias runs his shop.
Within minutes.
Mostly black market junk. Sometimes you can find rare schematics, if you're lucky. He's not there. What now?
Someone here knows how to reach him. I'm gonna have a look around. Fancy setup?
What is it? I'm in the middle of a poker game. There's somebody at your shop. Well, it's closed.
He's playing poker. I'll get them to deal me in. Poker game, huh? Let's see where you're hiding. There we go. Hold on, what's this? Someone else is tracking the call. It's gotta be fixers.
Hey, you're not gonna believe this. I finally got a lock on Frewer. I'm going to pick him up now.
There they are. They'll hunt him down fast. I need to stop them.
I'm sure you could buy the code too.
You were right. He's paranoid. But I found him.
You want to go alone, don't you? All right. I'll meet you at the island.
I need backup. Take him out. He's bailing. He pulled a gun.
Shit, I'm gonna die.
We're gonna ram him. Plowing. Hit him. Circle around again. Lost him. Anyone
I have
got
3
anything?
viewers.
Nothing on our end.
Okay. Time for a little poker with Tobias.
My total viewers is 336.
Need to close up.
I don't know. And I have 15 followers. Sometimes. Follow me, Kieran. Alright. Just go on the website and just sign up for it. It's like making a Facebook page. Yeah. Yeah, you could make a new email. It doesn't have to be the same email you use for the Xbox. Yeah. We could use that one. Where the fuck am I going? Thanks. And then I'll say you're banned. No, because it bans people that curse automatically. Yeah. Yeah. Gonna play some poker.
Illegal poker out here. Who'd suspect? One of these guys is Tobias. I'll play.
Yeah, you just have to snap the Twitch app and then start broadcast. No, not really. If you want to show your face, you can. You get to choose what you want to do in the channel. Yeah. Yeah.
Who are you?
This 100,000 views.
Relax. Are you Tobias?
None of your business.
I'll take that as a yes.
No, take it as none of your business.
That's a nice attitude. Is that why Bloom fired you?
The hell?
Tobias! Stop! Damn it!
Stop, you baldy shithead.